Good afternoon, teacher. Today, my co-research and I going to present to you what we have gone so far in our research project entitled Exploring the Impact of Virtual Learning Environments in Fourth Year English Learning Process. Okay, let's start. Well, since the last semester that we have been in this research process, we reflect on the great challenge we have as researchers because to investigate in the educational field, to be specific, we understand human behaviors from the meanings and intention of the subjects who's intervene in it. And this is a systematic search process, a rigorous process that takes time to achieve the investigative objective.
Hi, teacher. Good afternoon. It's important to mention that this semester we should to find the key participants to be part of our research, and we opt for the fourth semester course. We thought in a teacher that we knew, and we called her to ask for the authorization to work with her course. She kindly accepted. So the first step that my co-researcher and I did was to make our research project known to the students and the teacher. Show them what we want, the objective, and ask for the collaboration or voluntary participation for the group to be part of it. To be honest, it was the first time we did it, so we were a little bit nervous because maybe we didn't know anyone and we did not know if we will achieve the objective of that meeting. Indeed, to the nervous or for not explaining our intention well at that time, no one except the teacher want to be part of the project, or they did not say anything at the time that was a witness for us.
Yes, teacher. Okay, in the second steps in this research process was the formulation of the questions for the first interview. At the beginning, we thought that the structure would be easy, but we realized that the objective of our research would depend on this interview. So, with the help of your with your help and with had theoretical contribution about the type of question to ask in an interview, we were able to reformulate some questions with the aim of not making mistakes when doing it. Now, the third step that we did was a challenge for us because was to conduct the interview with the teacher and the participant. Actually, my co-research and I rehearsed a lot before doing it. First, we did the interview with the teacher, and we considered it was a success. The conversation flowed spontaneously. We were very attentive, listening to the teacher. The interaction was constant. From the answers given by her, extra question arose. Yes, so
Yeah, that's it. So, teacher, we really consider that the objective was largely achieved in this first interview with the teacher. The only inconvenience that we had at that teacher stopped the conversation for a few seconds because her thoughts were broken. Otherwise, everything was fine. Second, we did the interview with the participant number two. we can say that there was an spontaneous conversation too, although the participant felt a bit nervous when answering, which caused some short answer or the repetition of some question. We as researchers believe that we knew how to handle the situation due to we asked the participant to go deeper into the answer. We asked her, for example, but most important, we create a relaxed speaking space. Likewise, we asked other questions that arose from her answer.
Yes. Okay. And the following step was well, after conduct the interviews, we did the transcripts in order to analyze and interpret the participants' answers. And thanks to this analysis, we realized the participants had little knowledge about this topic and its applicability as a tool within the teaching learning processes. Even we could identify some different perspectives about the phenomenon that we have been investigating. However, we realized that the word some lack of important information relating to our subject. That's why we made as a group the decision to implement a new collecting instrument, which was the participant journaling. The main idea about its application was to look for more detailed information and go deeper about the perceptions of fourth semester students regarding virtual learning platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Zooms, Moodles, among others. Okay, to finish, taking into account all what we have said about, yes, this is a kind of reflection of our process, yes, research process. We think that all of this is a process, yes, a step by step that we are polishing as we enter in this investigative path. We have had witness and strength in this process, but we think we have managed to face and to take advantage of all this in order to achieve our objective. Yes. Well, teacher, we think that it is all for today. So thank you so much. ¿Le doy en qué? ¿En pausar o detener grabación?
Ya deténlo, pausa, termina.
Sí, ya está pausado, detener, ¿cierto?